The Epilfree Pro system lets listen and learn about what it is, why it works, and how it can boost your business. Presented by Lewis of Bombshell Brands and Epilfree Distributor. Epilfree is so simple and so effective. It's a permanent hair removal system with laser-like results. If your business is a salon, a spa, or a waxing center, use Epilfree as a treatment add-on to boost wax or sugaring treatment revenue. There's no expensive equipment or medical oversight needed. Epilfree is safe, effective, 100% natural, with no side effects. Do you presently offer laser hair removal? If you do, you know that laser cannot be used on all hair types. It can't be used on all skin types. It cannot be used on all ages or all body parts. Laser has side effects like hyperpigmentation risk with sun exposure. Laser is not pain-free. It is not safe for treatment over tattoos, and there's medical oversight needed in most states. With Epilfree, you never have to turn away any permanent hair removal business ever. Dr. Yul Konis created Epilfree. He was a PhD in botanical cosmetics and pharmaceuticals. He discovered Epilfree in treating radical cell growth in patients with psoriasis. Epilfree is formulated with active botanicals, with a primary benefit of stopping hair growth by blocking the energy cells need to grow hair. There is a secondary benefit of Epilfree, and that's better skin health. Epilfree does help to tone and tighten the skin, helps to exfoliate the skin and hydrate the skin. Epilfree is packaged with two serums, and both serums are packed in three separate professional back bar kits. The facial kit used to treat the brow, the cheek, the lip, and the chin areas. The intimate kit used to treat the underarms, the breast area, and the Brazilian area. And the body kit to create and treat areas like the legs, the arms, the back, and the chest. Every professional back bar kit has enough product in it for 40 treatments. How to use Epilfree? It's simple as 1, 2, 3. First, you must remove hair from the treatment area using wax or sugaring. If you do use wax, please remember you must use a pine rosin-free and beeswax-free wax. Step 2, apply serum A. And step 3, apply serum B. Both serums A and B work in conjunction to stop the hair growth in that hair follicle in the anagen growth phase. How do you price Epilfree? Simple. Let's take a look at this pricing chart. Whatever you would charge for a lip treatment for waxing or sugaring, charge an additional $30. You would use the Epilfree facial kit and recommended to sell those packages in quantities of 5 or 10. Let's take a look at an underarm treatment. Whatever you would charge for a wax or sugaring treatment, had additional $65. You'd be using the intimate care kit and again, sell the packages in quantities of 5 or 10. Let's take a look at treating a man's back. Whatever you would charge for a wax or sugaring, add $125. You would be using the body care kit and again, sell those packages in quantities of 5 or 10. Let's talk a little bit about building your Epilfree business. Some of the advertising options are really simple. Offer some on-site listen and learn programs. Invite your clients and their friends and family to your location. Talk to them about Epilfree, how it works and what the benefits are. Sell them packages, discounted packages in quantities of 5 or 10. Take advantage of paid social media ads on Instagram and Facebook. And more importantly, look at your existing clients for business and client referrals. Keep your approach simple. For instance, look at the clients who get facials and they don't wax. Have they considered removing their vellus hair? Talk to your clients who have husbands and boyfriends and fathers. Do those men have hair on their back that they want to remove permanently? Engage and entice your clients with low-risk offers. For instance, offer an Epilfree lip treatment for free with any lip wax. Any additional questions about Epilfree, we highly recommend for you to sign up for the certification class. The class is free. It's offered on Mondays. And to register for the class, please go to bombshellwax.com, look for the Epilfree system collection icon, and click certification class and register at your convenience. Any additional questions, don't hesitate to contact us at bombshellwax.com, and we look forward to servicing you in the future.